Alright. So we're in a 2015 Nissan nv200. We replaced the front brakes. Apply the brake. We're trying to locate a noise that we were hearing when you turn. It might be the CV axles. Alright, take your foot off the brake. We'll check that other side. Apply the brake. Alright, let me check the other side. Go ahead. Put the wheel straight. Accelerate. A little bit faster. Go faster. Alright. Okay, I see where it's rubbing. Hold the brake. All right, go ahead. Yeah. Slowly brake. Do that again. All right, I think we're good. Alright, so that's basically how you're gonna check for any other noises. This is Autotech 210 with a quick tip, brought to you by Best Fleet Service in San Antonio, Texas. This is a 2015 Nissan NV200. Make sure you have everything secure and you have another person with you so you can hear everything while they're applying the brake and accelerating. We've got new brake pads, new rotors on this puppy, so it should be good to go. You guys have a wonderful day.